Hi, I'm just zapping in here to tell you that I love Ludum Dare. Why? Because it is a throw things at the wall and see what sticks simulator, and I love to get sticky.
Hi, I'm Levi Lindsay, and I'm so excited for Ludum Dare 51. I love the creative challenge of game jams, and Ludum Dare is by far the best game jam. It's a real highlight of my year. I love the Ludum Dare community. I always get so much creative inspiration and insightful feedback every time I participate.
Hey guys, it's Kuviman, and what I love about Ludum Dare is all the emotions. Always very exciting to see other people play your game, and also playing all the amazing games that you guys make. Also very inspiring. So let's do it again. Let's make some games and have some fun. Yeah.
Hi, Pomo and Pomo here. One thing I love LD for is that it allows me to express myself as an artist in a way. When you get a job doing the thing that you're passionate about, you end up doing things you might not want to do, or that might burn you out, or you have less control over, and it dawns on you a little bit. So like LD is like that excuse to push all that creativity and that expression out of you, and allows you to do something great. And I love that.
Hi guys, Lex here. Even though I work in the gaming industry, I don't always get to release a game. It's been years since I released a game. At Ludum Dare, I can actually release it and wear different hats, which is very fun.
I love being able to start and finish a game in just one weekend. We all know with game dev it's a pretty long slog, and it's really nice to be able to finish a game, draw a line underneath it, and move on happily, proud of what you've made, instead of kind of dragging around that guilt of that game that you still need to finish, that I should probably do some work on this weekend. It's been a what?
Getting feedback from oftentimes more talented people than you are is probably the thing I love most about Ludum Dare, and it's the best way to improve yourself too.
Hello, Kai Herberts here. I love the community.
Just the community. You guys are awesome.
Now that is fascinating.
Everyone is just so talented, nice, fun, creative. It's just
hello. I'm Cole Slaughter, part of the Keyboard Cowboys. We're all so excited to be taking part in yet another weekend of stress and shenanigans. Our favorite part of this jam has always been the community that forms around it, and we can't wait to start interacting with you all again.
It's just, guys are just the best. There's no one else around. Like, I haven't found a single community like you guys. Best.
Bunch of motivated people gather on Ludum Dare to create cool stuff and just have fun, and that's the best part. It's like traveling to this alternative universe just for a few days, filled with like-minded people. So don't forget that. Be positive, have fun, and have a good jam.
Rud Puddle here with the Keyboard Cowboys, and I'm here to tell you that if you're not participating in the Twitch community after Ludum Dare submissions, and you are missing the best part of the jam. That's because if you're in the audience, get your game played and see more games played than you can ever play yourself. And if you're a streamer like we are, you can slowly brainwash participants of the jam into becoming your friend.
Chill. So I have many bad qualities when it comes to game jams, like I don't sleep much, I don't code cleanly, I'm a scope creeper. But I think I do one thing right. No matter what happens, I'm keeping the stress levels low. We're doing this for fun, like let's not forget about that.
My Ludum Dare advice? Don't skip on sleep.
Hello, I'm Mr. Phil, and my #1 Ludum Dare tip is, if you're feeling tired, take a nap. Sweet dreams and great game making.
Hi, I'm Alex from Norwegian Games, and I took part in every Ludum Dare since LD51, which is now about 5 years ago. My advice is that you should only work on the game if you really like it. If not, then just skip the idea or make something different. The second advice is don't overscope. This is very important because you don't have the time. And the third advice is just have fun.
Treat this like a weekend vacation in a big city. 100% speedrun would be very difficult, but this is your time to have fun, so maybe go somewhere new and exciting. Try a new genre, or make a game for the first time. Whatever it is, I'm hoping I'll get to do something I've never done before.
The hint I have for you guys is to follow the 444 rule, which is try to think of a game that you can develop the core mechanics in 4 hours and use the other 44 hours to polish your game. It might not be possible to actually create the core mechanics in 4 hours, but if you think of a game that is simple enough to fit in 4 hours, then you are probably good to go and you will hit the deadline.
One piece of advice, don't try too hard. You might win, and I want to win, so don't do that.
Ludum Dare, for me, is an opportunity to make something new I would have never thought about otherwise. I advise other people to use the famous name if they hate it, like I did. And I hope to never voice delay ever again.
Participate, please. Before I started, I was anxious, so I can relate to being cautious about joining. I'm on the other side now, and bro, I'm so happy to not be in your shoes anymore. Create a good game. My last one sucked terribly.
I'd say my biggest piece of advice is to keep your goals microscopic until you've finished some sort of complete experience, and then build from there with very small iterations.
Don't overscope.
I'm so excited to see everyone's creations for Ludum Dare 51.
Just remember, if you want to survive this jam, it is absolutely vital that you...
My main advice for people taking part in Ludum Dare is remember that you want people to play what you've made. So don't make your game too hard. Don't make it take too long to get through. Make sure it's accessible. Make sure it's forgiving. So if someone dies, they don't have to start right from the beginning and they miss out on the 80% of content that you had after that first level.
One thing I want to achieve this time is world domination. Was that 20 seconds?